Let me ask you about, we talked about the Tea Party candidates and the experience that many of your fellow Republicans this year, incumbents, are having in finding suddenly that they have a Republican primary opponent they probably never expected to have. Is this a good thing for your party? You're a fairly conservative guy. You probably sympathize with the more conservative folks in your party who are in many cases arguing that the party has drifted too much to the center. So I wonder where you come down on this question of the Tea Party.
I think the Tea Party, I think it's a good thing. The more discourse, the more comfortable folks are with the outcome.
Right.
In this case, we're going to have discourse. And in my particular case, if I had somebody coming at me from the right, they would probably be about beach issues, about taking property along the Texas coast.
Right.
We're not taking property. You have to look at the original grant from the Republic of Mexico or Spain or the Republic of Texas, right, and understand what the boundary was. Right. So that would be an opportunity to educate that person who would be a Tea Party person running against me because I'm...
But that's a very specific issue. I guess I'm asking more in a broad sense. Do you feel that the Republican Party, of which you are proudly a member,
right, has
a problem right now such that almost an entire separate party to the right of your party needs to drag it back to its rightful place?
It could be a problem. It depends on how we handle it. You want to get the folks inside the tent as opposed to outside the tent, you know, urinating relative to the tent. I would rather have them inside. Yeah. And then, you know, educate that things are not as simple and things are not as black and white as many of those folks on the Tea Party side believe them to be.
You think they're talking about politics in terms that are too elemental, it's more complicated?
Exactly. It's more complicated. You're not, as a legislator or as anyone in elected office, you are not presented with black and white choices. Mm-hmm. It's not that way. You're presented with a certain choice. You have to make the best one you can, and you have to move the ball in the right direction. And that may be done by, you know, hitting a single or a double as opposed to a home run. And that's what I think they don't understand. And they will, because that's good for having them in the party. I'm glad they're there.
So you don't have any issue with any of the folks who've filed to run to the right of, say, Mike McCall, the U.S. Congressman, or Lamar Smith?
Not at all. I mean, that's what a primary is about.
Right. All healthy, all good.
Exactly. All healthy, all good.